How to build a following on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can build a following on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to establish yourself as a brand on Instagram and then attract more followers and audiences through your profile, it is actually there are some of the rules that you can basically use to your practicality. Now of course, some of the basic things includes that you don't have a private account and then you have a professional account. So once you make sure you have professional account, what you can try to do is there are a couple of steps you can follow. You always want to make sure that you post during the right times and analyze what has worked for you in the past. You can also organize some of the stories in your highlights, because Instagram stories disappear after 24 hours, but if you want to keep yourself as a brand, you might want to highlight them. You can run a giveaway if you're, especially during the start of everything, you might actually invest in some amount of money and host a giveaway so that people can tag, mention, and then they can follow you eventually. Giveaway are the best way to increase your followers. And you can also use geo tags such as the location, so that people who view that location also will be able to view the post. Use some of the hashtags and also be live on Instagram. And there are just some of the other steps that you can take to establish yourself as a brand and build a following. So hope some of this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.